Do you want to become better at dance and teaching? You're in the right place! What up party people, I'm Alex and welcome to More Than a Dance Tutorial, a weekly series about dance, music and culture. Today we are taking a look at Running Man. Running Man is a dance step based after the movie Running Man, and it makes you look like you're running in place. It started to be famous after the video Rhythm Nation by Janet Jackson, and after that you can see it everywhere. And it's also a part of another dance style called shuffle. I saw the Running Man for the first time in a cartoon with Didi and Dexter.
Check this out. Wow, dig that new groove!
Where did you see the Running Man for the first time? Please let me know in the comment section below. Now I will present to you a video with famous dancers and artists that are dancing with the Running Man. Enjoy! If you enjoyed, share it with your friends, with your teachers and your students. Now, let's jump to the tutorial. Okay guys, so we're gonna have two positions. Position 1, like this, and position 2, like this. The same on the other side. Jump, jump. Okay, cool. So, the main thing on the Running Man is the hop. This one. And we're gonna keep it all the time. Chum 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 chum. Good. So we're gonna do like this. 2 hops. It's very important. 5, 6, 7, go. Jump jump. 5, 6, 7, go. And 1. 5, 6, 7, go. And 1. 5, 6, 7, and 1. Now we're gonna go to the first position. And 1. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Good. Now, from the first position to the second one, it will be something like this. And 1. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Make sure you hop every time. 5, 6, 7, go, and 1. 5, 6, 7, go, and 1. From here, we're gonna go and 2. 5, 6, 7, slowly. And 1 and 2. 5, 6, 7, go. And 1 and 2. Faster. 5. 5, 6, 7, go. And 1 and 2. 5, 6, 7, go. And 1 and 2. 5, 6, 7, go. And 1 and 2. Good. 4 counts. 5, 6, 7, go. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7, go. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7, go. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Good. To the music. DJ, drop it like it's hot. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. now we're gonna add our chest. The chest is going out on the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, of course. Good. So it will be something like this. And out, and out, and out, and out. Good. A little bit faster. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. And out, and out, and out, and out. 5, 6, 7, go. Music! DJ! Let's go! 5, 4, 5, 6, 7, go! Okay, the head, let's go like this, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, go, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, with the chest in the same time, 5, 6, 7, go, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, go, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, okay, with a step, let's go. 5, 6, 7, go. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Again. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 8. Music. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. Last part, the arms. I will give you 2 options. First one, it's like this. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. With the chest, 5, 6, 7, go. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. And the other one, it's like you're running. 1, 2, 3, 4. Really easy. So, let's try first like this. 5, 6, 7, go. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Okay. Running. 5, 6, 7, go. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 8 counts. We're gonna go like this. And 8 counts like this. Okay, good. Music. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. 5, 6, 7. Step, make sure your students know how to hop. If you want to learn the hop, check my tutorial in the description below. After they learn how to hop with the step, then add slowly your chest, your head and your arms. Hey guys, I hope that you enjoy it. If you want to support my channel, press that like button, press the subscribe, and of course press the notification bell if you want to get notified every time I post something new. Peace and love.